Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a new profile in Brave browser. So, in order for you to do this process, the first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Brave browser. Now, once you are on your Brave, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen in order for you to proceed with this process. You could just simply go ahead and go to the bottom and you will have here more tools. Here on the more tools, you will have two options. You could either open a guest profile, but pretty much this is a private window, which from here, everything will not be saved. But if you want to create one, add new profile over here. So go ahead and select add new profile. And from here right away, you should be able to provide your name of your profile. Let's say I'm going to go for Delve Stack. And after that, you could also change the avatar over here by selecting the pencil icon. And you will have multiple themes over here as well. As you can see, it is changing the bar at the top. So pretty much you could customize it based on your personal preferences. And you could also select the color picker icon, which you could really customize it. And once you are done, select done. And after that, as you can see, you will have your profile over here. And now you could also add another profile based on what you want. So pretty much over here, you could switch to different profile and add as many profile as you can over here. And if you want to manage your profile, you could simply click on it. You should be able to see something like this. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.